think today is going to be a crazy day. I'm down here at Manjuyod Sandbar, but unlike what we've been told that it's the Maldives of the Philippines, we're in for a huge stormy day. There's thunder and lightning all around us. Will we survive? This isn't what I saw in the photos.
You can see this tiniest hint of blue.
Alright, the storm has passed, thank God. We've made it back to the sandbars. We're going to hang out for the rest of the day. Now there's two sandbars here at Manjuyod. One of them's a nice long strip, and the other one is where they have those overwater bungalows. It's not quite like the Maldives, you can't really stay overnight there per se, but you can hang out there for the day and hang out on the sandbar. So we're going to check out both of them. Here's what they look like from above. To get down here to Manjuyod, I had to continue my bikepacking trip across Visayas. I cycled down from San Carlos City to Apata Resort, 60 kilometers. I stayed there for a night in a beautiful beachside hut that only cost 400 pesos per night. The next day I cycled 50 kilometers down to Bunilao Resort, just in Manjuyod, and I actually met Pema there. She came over from Bohol. So we're going to explore Negros for the next 7 days before I continue my solo journey. Each day the low tide is going to be a different time, so you need to time your run. We've been out here since 8 AM this morning. We went for a little search for dolphins, but now it's finally low tide, so we're checking out the first of the two sandbars at low tide. The sand's fully exposed and we can hang out and lay on our little strip of beach.
So I'm not sure if this is the main sandbar or over there by the cottages, but I think it's all part of the Manjuyod Sandbar complex. So we're just gonna hang out here. It's very warm even without full sun, but it's been a nice relaxing day. Okay, we've made it back over to the cottages. You can see one behind me that's full of a big family having barbecue and all that good stuff. But we're just gonna hang out here for the rest of our day on the boat. And as we pulled in, this boat full of local girls starts giggling, and I was like, oh, what's going on? They're like, oh, sir, you're very handsome. So keeping a close eye on Jackson.
Hi, how are you? Good? After enjoying the first sandbar, we've transferred over to the definitely more popular sandbar, where you find these over-the-water bungalows, which is how this place got its name as the Maldives of the Philippines. You can see them behind me here. You can see them in the drone videos. But I think what we're going to do is have a go at one of the most popular activities here at the sandbars, which is having a go on the banana boats or the rubber rings. They get pulled by the bunker boats. They're not quite as powerful as a jet ski, but they get going fast enough to throw you off. So we're going to challenge our driver to see if he can throw us off. Our time at Manjuyod Sandbar is over. We visited both sandbars, we did the dolphin watching. Now it's time to head back to the mainland of Negros. Hope you guys enjoyed the video today. Hope you enjoyed the drone shots. It was really beautiful to watch it up from the air. It's time for us to head home. Here we are.